Hi there, loves! This is one of the easiest Christmas makeup tutorial ever. Tune in, let's go! If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much! This might help you in the future, mga loves. Malapit na yung Christmas, so we just need lipstick, eyelash curler, eyebrow pencil, or lip liner. Super easy, madali lang siyang gawin, and wala siyang maraming chismis. Then, we use that eyelash curler para mag-form ng shape sa mata natin. Then, same thing with the other eye. Kung anong ginagawa natin sa kabila, ganun din sa kabila nating mata. Then, you can use lip liner or eyebrow pencil, basta as long as white siya. Pwede nyo gamitin. Kung gusto nyo naman, kung wala kayong ganun, kung ano meron sa inyo dyan, whatever you are convenient, whatever you have right now, pwede nyo gamitin as long as white. Pwede yung pulbo, basta kaya yung i-form ng ganyan, why not? Then, lipstick. Syempre, very red kasi yun yung theme ng Christmas natin. Much better kung matte yung lipstick na gagamitin. Then, this one is optional. I'm using glitters. Yan na yung final product. Look at that. See, it's very easy, mga loves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Have a great day to all, mga loves.